Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Google Pixel 5a does have the stereo speakers. And to do this, we'll need to locate all of the speakers on this phone, and first one is phone call speaker right here. Next is at the bottom, there's actually two speakers, one right here and one right here. Now to determine if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music and cover each of them with our fingers. If the sound is coming from all of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming from only one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try it out. So I can confirm that the sound is coming from all of the speakers, and that confirms it, that the Google Pixel 5a does have the stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.